Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Wednesday. It's Whiskey Wednesday, one of my favorite days. Unfortunately, I don't have a bottle of whiskey today. That's okay. Last night I did pork schnitzel with cheddar, au gratin potatoes, and a can of green beans. I thought it turned out very well. I'm just going to leave it there. Today, I am doing, the recipe originally is called steak and potato pie. I'm changing the recipe because I have a lot of elk in my freezer. So it's going to be elk and potato pie. So let's get to it. There's some pie crust. Yes, I'm using store-bought pie crust. I'm adding a couple things to this recipe. I'm adding some frozen corn, some green peas. Here's the elk. My brother-in-law, George, actually got this elk about a year or 2 years ago. So thank you, George. All-purpose flour, olive oil, salt and pepper. Of course, it's kosher salt and fresh ground black pepper. I'm going to give a shout out to Clover Dairy in Sonoma. I love their products. I've been using their butter for years and years and years. So big shout out to Clover. It's in most of your grocery stores. Of course, some beef stock, some bay leaf, Worcestershire sauce. Actually, the recipe calls for HP sauce. I'm guessing this recipe is British. There's a couple things in the recipe that indicate that it's from the UK. Yellow onion, which will be diced, tomato ketchup. Of course, I only use Heinz, potatoes, smoked paprika, cumin, whole thyme, garlic powder, and marjoram. It originally called for garlic salt, but I like to control my salt, so I use garlic powder. So there it is. So what are you cooking today on this Wednesday? Let me know in the comments. It'd be great. Also, have you thought about the direction or non-direction of Casual Chef's Kitchen and Casual Chef? Let me know again in the comments. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun